Hey guys, welcome to Cookin' with Becky. We're going to give you a rundown of everything inside and out on Kooks headers and exhaust. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to Cookin' with Becky. We just got out of bending. We just saw those bends go into a fixture. Now we're kind of in the in-between stages before we start welding. So we need to make sure that all of our components are ready. One of those is our collector. So this is where all of our primary tubes merge and all of the exhaust starts flowing through the rest of our systems, our connection pipes. In the CNC room here behind me, we flow drill. So this is where all of our bungs are going to go into. Also in CNC, in addition to flow drilling for bungs, we also actually use these machines to cut some of our H and X pipes for the most accuracy possible. So this is our prep area. So in addition to any CNC work that needs to be done to the pipes before they go to welding, this is where a lot of our ends and our connections are formed on all of our products. So you can see here we have examples of things like ball and socket, we've got flares. So depending on what product you order, they're going to be treated and bolted up in different ways. This is where all of that magic happens. At the end of a connection pipe that does not have any kind of ball and socket, you're going to see notches in those parts, and they're going to be bumped out so that the other part can slide in and be clamped down and secured. So in our next video, we are going to see what happens after prep and once we get into our actual welding phase. We'll see you next time on Cookin' with Becky.